slime. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Fuzzy Wuzzy vs Natalia. So in today's video we are going to be doing the girls vs boys slime.
We're going to put some things in our slime, make a mess
and see whose is best.
So these are my first items, little wooden sticks.
And then this is my first item, some gems. I really like these gems because they're fitting really well. I can barely feel them anymore. So now we're going to grade some crayons. I really like the blue.
The black and white really stands out on mine.
The blue stands out a lot on mine as well. It is a bit hard to grade though. So ruining makeup is not really my thing, and I don't like doing it.
And I got some paint.
So it's best to go around the edges.
This is really hard to get out mine.
That's not that hard. Oh, mine is kind of starting to be like paint because it's starting to get it's starting to get wet and just like, you know, getting a bit watery.
Yeah.
Like your paint thing.
The paint was really hard to get out, and I only managed to get out a little bit, as you can see.
Oh, silly string time! Oh.
Yay.
I expected it to go a bit
really
better
hard.
than this. Oh, it stinks as well.
This is really hard.
Oh my. It's amazing. How is yours like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, thanks for getting it in mine. You're welcome.
I feel the gooey.
Okay, the silly string part, it's a bit like, I can't like explain it, but it's a bit more watery because if you put it up close, like some of the silly string gets a little bit of water in it, so that's why it's a bit more waterier. Moving on to our next item.
So I got connected sand.
And I've got pom-pom balls. Now it's probably going to be furry slime. A bit of it. So we've got popping candy, and I wonder if it's going to pop in the slime. We'll have to see. Yep.
And I guess we found our answer. Yes. So it sounds like that sausage is just sizzling.
Yeah, and bug and burger patties are getting fried or sizzled. I don't know what they do. The slime feels a bit different, don't you think? I smell orange in my slime.
I smell cola.
Right. Can you shush, please?
So next item is bubbles.
Seriously though, popping candy, you're gonna need to be quiet.
So now let's probably pour it in.
Yeah, but maybe you'll...
The popping candy is getting louder and louder.
I probably should have done mine next to the popping candy. Now let's mix it all together with our hands. Oh my. Can you still hear the popping candy?
Yep.
Wow. This is amazing.
Look at mine.
Oh my. Yours?
Wait, so what's this? I found some paint at the bottom.
Oh, see what I can find at the bottom. I found a bit of pom-poms at the bottom. This is how the slimes turned out. Ozzy, who do you think is best?
So I'm not just saying it because it's mine, but I think mine's better.
I think mine is better only because like yours is so sticky.
Yeah, but that's why it's called slime, isn't it? So that's the end of the video.
Hope you all enjoyed it.
And if you want more slime videos, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Slimy hands.